Hey everybody, we got another real exciting car for sale that I want to show you today. Sure there's a lot of Fast and the Furious fans out there watching our YouTube videos, so I'm really excited to show this car. It was professionally restored by a company in Indianapolis to look like the movie car. We also have a museum here. We have 33 exhibits, and the Hollywood Cars is by far the most popular exhibit. We have the Batmobile, Ghostbusters, Back to the Future, but the Fast and the Furious cars are one of the most popular items we have in our museum. We've bought dozens of the actual cars from the movie set, and I don't want to disappoint anyone, but they're not like they look like on the movie screen. We get the cars, they're painted real sloppy, door jambs aren't even the same color as the outside, and all the stereo systems and big subwoofers and nitrous bottles, it's all fake. None of that's ever hooked up on the movie cars. This is better than the movie cars because they restored it, they did a better job. So let's take it for a spin. I'll tell you all I know about the car. First of all, it is a 95 Mitsubishi Eclipse Gst. This is just like the car Paul Walker used in the movie. It's one of the more recognizable cars. The Fast and the Furious movie franchise has grown to be one of the biggest movie franchises that have existed. So, tremendously popular cars. This has the full Robocar body kit, all the lower rear bumper and the spoilers along the bottom. And that's all molded in. In the movies, they just slapped it on. They were either glued on or riveted, I'm not sure. But it's all molded in on this car. The tail lights, any emblems was removed. They're nice, smooth, and clean. It's got the correct spoiler on the back here. Obviously painted the right color. All the proper decals, just like from the movie. It even has the scoop on the roof. Again, this is molded in. The movie car was just slapped on there. All tinted glass, including the windshield. It's got 19-inch wheels with performance tires. Of course, all this is custom, and again, it's molded in. These are new. They're tinted. They're crystal clear. This is a real carbon fiber hood. The movie car is usually just a decal. That's a real carbon fiber hood. Slate Performance Automotive in Indianapolis built this car, and they used it to promote their business. They won many trophies, took it to shows. This is an attention getter. If you have a business, you can promote, you can rent this car out for displays. If you're just a guy looking for a fun car, when you own this, you'll know what it's like to be a celebrity. You will get so many thumbs up, waves, people talking to you. Can I get my picture? So it's not for a shy person. The interior's got a lot of the Sparco performance upgrades, the custom seats, shoulder belts, shifter, steering wheel. It's got the 2 nitrous buttons on there, custom stereo. We'll show you more of the interior in a minute. And you go to volocars.com and you can see all the pictures. We put photos top to bottom, in and out. All the specs will be there. They did kind of strip the interior. It's got the full console and dash and door panels, but the carpets were removed and it was just sprayed like a black undercoat. And the back, which I'll open the hatch, we'll show you in a minute too. That's been gutted and sprayed. Saves weight. It's a performance car. That's the other thing about the movie cars. They don't really have performance motors in them. This one actually does. Original motor was pulled out. They got a Cyclone turbocharged motor in here, dual overhead cams, 16 valves, intercooled. So this is about 80 horsepower more than the stock motor. So it actually performs better than the movie car. It's got a 3-inch exhaust going all the way back. I will start it up in a minute. They also put drilled rotors, discs on all 4 wheels. And it's got coil-over shocks front and back. So they got the stance looking really good on this car. Let me pop the hatch, and then I will get to starting it in just a minute here. It does have 2 nitrous bottles. Those are just for looks. Those are not hooked up. They put an aluminum cover over the spare tire well. I'll read some of the specs, and this sign will go with it. Yeah, it's Robocar body kit, JDM Cyclone 4G63T turbocharged motor. It's a 5-speed manual trans, front mount intercooler, 3-inch exhaust, 19-inch access 7 wheels, a real carbon fiber hood, movie replica decals. It even has the correct license plate on the back of the car as seen in the movie. Debadged tail lights, aluminum spare tire delete plate, coilover suspension, full Sparco interior. So this sign will go with the car. So let's start it up. It's got the custom pedals, shifter. Tell it's custom. When you start it up, people will hear it. They'll know that there's something under the hood of the car. It's just going to be a fun, exciting car. I've driven the Fast and Furious cars, and again, it's like you're a celebrity. So if you're looking for a little excitement, a little attention, you go into any car show. You don't even have to go to a car show. Just go put gas in the car, drive it anywhere, and you'll have a crowd of people around it. The motor itself is smooth, runs real nice. So in the top right corner of your screen, it says volocars.com. It'll take you right to this car, and you can see our whole website. We have hundreds of cars for sale. And if you want to venture over to the museum side of it, we actually have movie used Fast and Furious cars as part of our Hollywood collection. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. I keep saying we get some really exciting, interesting cars, and here's another good example of that. By subscribing, you could be one of the first to know about the cars that come in. Now, this car is for sale. We can help finance it. We can get it shipped to your door. We can have this in your garage within a few days. Just contact us, sales@volocars.com, and we can get the process started answering all your questions and helping you out. Thank you.